أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. يا ربنا لك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك وعظيم سلطانك. رضينا بالله ربا وبالإسلام دينا وبسيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم نبيا ورسولا. Today is the first day after we finished the spring break. Last week it was spring break, and today it is March 30th. March 30th, by the way, it's يوم الأرض in فلسطين، فتحية لأهلنا في فلسطين. This day is the first day after the spring break, but there is something different. There is something unusual on this day. There is something
Where's the students? Where's the little kids? Where are they? Ziad!
Yes!
I can't find any of the students. Spring break is over. Where are they?
They are not here.
What do you mean they're not here?
Because of coronavirus, the school is closed.
What?
Yeah, the school is closed because of coronavirus.
You
But
have to
the
be
learning
kidding
is
me. How are
not-
the seniors going to graduate?
They will graduate. They will study from home. They will. We will have the e-learning.
Really, Ziad,
Come
this
here,
is
I
school.
have
You can't
some,
cancel school. We have to learn somehow.
You will learn. You will learn through e-learning. You
What's-
can use your Chromebook.
What's
You
e-learning?
can communicate with teachers through Google Classroom. You can communicate with teachers through other platforms which our teachers are preparing to communicate with the students. So today at 9, inshallah, after 35 minutes or after 25 minutes, every student will be learning, inshallah. Don't worry. Don't worry. Students are at home and we want them to be safe, but they are studying. They are learning through e-learning. Inshallah, they will become leaders. They will depend on themselves, and they will have good relations with their parents while they are at home. So let me and you, HAWKS, start our daily assembly. كيف أصبحتم؟
أصبحنا
وأصبح الملك لله والحمد لله لا شريك له لا إله إلا هو وإليه النشور. رضينا بالله ربا وبالإسلام دينا وبمحمد صلى الله عليه وسلم نبيا ورسولا. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم
صراط الذين
أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. صدق الله العظيم. So my friend, can I ask you this question?
Of course, Brother Ziad, you can ask
Did you miss the students?
Do I miss the students?
Yes.
Of course I miss the students. I was going crazy out there before.
Inshallah you will see them. Inshallah, don't worry. Did you miss Hader, Colin, Omar Kashu, Abdul Rahman? Did you miss them?
Of course I'm going to miss them.
Okay,
I mean,
you will
they're
see
not
them.
here, and next year they won't be here anymore.
We will see them. Don't worry. Inshallah, we will see them. Okay, my friend. One of the students in second grade was asking on the Facebook her mother this question, and I need your answer. Since the students are at home and they are not coming to the school, do they still have to take daily shower?
Ew, of course they have to take a daily shower.
Why?
Because even if you don't come to school, if you don't take a shower, you become dirty and nasty and you smell bad.
So can we smell their smell through the internet?
No, that's not possible. But still, you still need to take a shower.
So all students still to take a shower daily,
every day. Yes.
Every day. But what's your opinion in the following? If you are working at home and you are working from the pajama, what's your opinion in that?
Well, that'd be really, really cool. Then Brother Ziad can't tell me not to wear specific pants.
Oh, okay. So
Can
you
wear
can
anything
wear.
I
So
want.
they can wear jeans. They can
wear
wear
jeans,
pajama.
They
Yeah.
can wear their pajamas. They can wear whatever they want at home.
Can they eat while they are in the classroom?
They can. That sounds pretty cool to me.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Can they have free time?
Yeah, they can do whatever they want as long as they get the work done.
Can they work from their bed?
Yes, they can.
Oh, mashallah. So, Omar, now here's Omar. You are not supposed to have your cell phone in the school, and you are senior. So, is it cool that you can work while you have your cell phone with you?
Of course it is.
so,
It's
so do you like
outside.
that? So, e-learning is good. It's not just making leadership, because we know that you are leaders, and we know. By the way, one of the things which we missed, as Sheikh Tariq was talking yesterday, is we missed the students giving the khutbah. Inshallah, we will resume that. Inshallah, we'll continue that. But that's something which every, let's say, masjid is closed. So what's your emotion when it is Dhuhr prayer and there is no students to make Dhuhr prayer?
Honestly, Brother Ziad, I get really sad and I miss it because, you know, when I feel like I'm praying Dhuhr prayer with all of the rest of the students here at Ayah, I feel like I've gained so much more ejid because we stopped all of our learning specifically to pray for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I pray with all my friends and my beloved students and my beloved teachers. And honestly, after I finish that kind of prayer, I can't help myself but smile.
Okay, what is the replacement for that? We are not able to make Dhuhr prayer at the school as your big family, which is all Ayah family. But how about if you, as a leader, if students as a leaders, gather their family, their father, their mother, their siblings. Hey, come on, we want to make Dhuhr prayer daily. Everybody will make Dhuhr prayer at home. So instead of having one masjid, we will have 120 masjids each day.
That's
so
right.
we encourage all students to make their Dhuhr prayer on time, Asr prayer on time, Maghrib, Isha, and make your home as a masjid. It is a sad moment when I went to the door of the masjid and I saw a sign, the masjid is closed. But alhamdulillah that we have leaders, we have people, we have students who have faith, who have iman, and can make the prayer at their homes on time, inshallah. I'm telling you that this is Umar Kashur, and Umar is one of our seniors. I'm telling you his name now because there will be two tough questions with my friend HAWKS about the seniors. The first tough question, Umar, and you will be as representative of the senior this year. What is your emotion when you hear that the senior field trip has been cancelled?
Brother Ziad, when I heard that, I got so upset and so mad, I just wanted to hit something. Because we've been waiting all year long just for this one big field trip. We've been working all year long doing pizza, doing fundraisers, doing Islamic Jeopardy night, and we've been working super hard to gather money so that we can go on one big last field trip all together. And when they told us this, it kind of felt like all of our hard work went to waste. So it was very sad.
It is, let's say it's a sad moment. It's a sad moment. It's something which we will miss. I remember when I went with you in the field trip to Six Flags, Omar, you were with me. Remember that moment. You are not going to miss that moment. And I was hoping that I will go with you, have fun with you, say goodbye to you. But we will do that, inshallah. Even in June, we will do that, inshallah. The other tough question. What will be your feeling if the school is, or by law, the schools has to be closed until June 5th. And our graduation day is on May 17th. What will be your emotions? Please do not cry, Omar. I know you are a strong man and you can give me, let's say, a good answer to that. What will be your emotions if you hear that we are not able to make the graduation ceremony?
Honestly, Brother Ziad, all of our lives we've been waiting for that one moment to walk across the stage and grab a diploma and just take a picture with you and Amu Ribhi. But the possibility that that can't happen is kind of very, very saddening, because that's kind of a moment that we've all been waiting for, and every student waits for, is that one last chance to take a picture with you, Brother Ziad, before we just go off and we go to college and we go on to our own lives. But I guess the most important thing there is that we get the chance to gather with you, the teachers, and our parents and our friends one last time, and that's the true importance of it. So even if it's not at the Cedars Club, and even if we don't walk across the stage, the most important thing to me is that at some point we were able to gather one last time together and take pictures and just be happy and celebrate that our long and hard years of being students here are over.
And give speeches. And recite Quran.
Speeches.
And show us your video, inshallah. Did you start in your videos for the graduation, or you didn't have the chance to do that?
I think they finished the videos, but I'm not too sure.
Okay, inshallah, we will have something to do as we make a replacement for learning in the classroom to be replaced by learning at home. We will have a way to find replacement for the field trip. We will have a way to have a replacement for the graduation ceremony. I am thinking in K5 students. We have 24 little wonderful students over there, and I remember when I visit them daily, they will hug me. Now they are not able to hug me. They will joke with me. They will come and say to me, come to our classroom, and they are looking for the graduation. They want the graduation. They want 5th grade. They want to be on the stage also. 8th grade, they are preparing the mock elections. But inshallah, we'll have replacement for that, inshallah. The major thing for our beloved students, teachers, families, it's a time, it's an opportunity. I remember at the start of the year when we were talking about classroom management, and I was telling the teachers, look at everything as opportunity. And we want to look at e-learning as opportunity for making leadership, opportunity for self-dependent, opportunity for love between father, mother, child. It's an opportunity for you parents to sit with your child and see how he is learning. It's opportunity for the child to be learning with his mother. That's a huge thing. That's one big benefit. I know that, as Omar said, I am missing my friends. Everybody is missing his friends. Everybody, even yesterday or the day before, one of the parents, he came to me and he said, my child is missing you. May I call him and you speak to him on phone? And I was speaking to him. They missed the school. They missed their teachers. They missed their friends. They missed the lunchroom. They missed the masjid. They missed everything in the school. But they have let's say love inside the family. They have good relation between siblings. A brother will help his young brother. Sister will help her young sister. Mother will help kids. Maybe sometimes parents will learn while their children are learning. So me personally, I look at e-learning as an opportunity for everybody to learn, everybody to have, let's say, love in the family, to have mosque in the family, to make the prayers jama'ah in the house, to, let's say, review our relations with our family more and more, and have a new way to communicate with the teachers. It's the 21st century. It's the time of internet. It's the time of technology. It's the time of, I remember when I was a freshman in the college, 1980, the teacher came, I was taking a library course, and the Birzeit University Library, it's a big building, it's 4 floors, and it has thousands of books. And she said, I said, she is dreaming. She said, listen, after 30 years, she has a tablet like this computer. She said, after 30 years. All this library will be in this tablet. Now I am telling you that in this time, all the libraries, all the books are on your cell phone. You can learn from your cell phone, you can learn through your Chromebook, you can learn through the computer, you can depend on yourself. We want you to learn how to search, how to find things good. By the way, when you search something, there are a lot of things which are not appropriate, a lot of things which are haram. What's your opinion in going to haram websites, websites that's not good for us to see it? HAWKS, what's your opinion?
That's the biggest wrong, because you can put yourself in big danger, either with yourself, with your parents, or with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So you should never do that.
Okay, thank you, Omar Kashur, Jazakallahu khairan. I appreciate that you came, and you can take the head and show us your real. Yeah, move it this way. He didn't hug me when he came, and he will hug me on the graduation day, inshallah, when coronavirus.
Social distancing.
Yeah, when coronavirus is finished, inshallah, I'll give you a big hug because you came here, Omar, Jazakallahu khairan. And I feel that we have leader, inshallah. I'll try to have someone else each day with me, inshallah. And we will communicate with the parents, with the students more. I trust that we can do it. We can do it. We can learn from homes. We teachers can prepare lessons for you. Teachers can give you opportunity to depend on yourself. Teachers can give you opportunity that you become a leader. I have trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that this school will survive. This school will improve more and more. Even in this time, the school will improve. I remember when Omar was in the graduation of K5. The first year I came here, Omar, Hader, Abdul Rahman, Mitlaq, Colin, all of these students that I'm sorry for the others who I missed their names, but I remember what I said in that graduation ceremony. I said, this school is Nurullah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's a light from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wallahu mutimmu nurih. وَيَأْبَى اللَّهُ إِلَّا أَنْ يُتِمَّ نُورَهُ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make this school succeed. Will make this school succeed. This school is like the أشجرة طيبة. أصلها ثابت وفرعها في السماء. So this tree is the likeness of this school, is like the likeness of a good kalima. Al-kalima in the Quran, it's used for statement. If you want to translate kalima, it's not a word, it's statement. The most major statement we know, the best statement we know is La ilaha illallah Muhammadan Rasulullah. The likeness of this school is a likeness of a tree who has its roots deep in the ground and its branches are reaching the sky. And the light of knowledge is going there from this tree. This tree will survive from your homes. So I want every single parent to feel that this school is improving in my house these 2 months. And inshallah in August, we will continue making this tree grow more and more and more by the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. By the ri'ayah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And teachers, parents, board. I appreciate what our teachers are doing. I appreciate what our board is doing. I appreciate what our parents are doing. Our parents, you are great. And it's your time to help these students to learn more and more and more. I think our time is finished, 8:55. After 5 minutes, every single student will start his class with your teacher. نسأل الله سبحانه وتعالى أن يوفقنا جميعا. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله